Welcome to Choice Champions. The best kit house is probably one of the most versatile and cost-effective solutions for homeowners looking to expand their living space or build a new dwelling, offering a unique blend of affordability, speed of construction, and customizable design options that are hard to find with traditional building methods, making it an increasingly popular choice for a wide range of projects. Number 5. Lutron Caseta Smart Dimmer Switch Kit P-BDG PKG2WA. Seamlessly integrate your lights with Amazon Alexa, Apple Home, Google Home, and more. It connects with more smart home devices than any other brand. Control up to 10 devices wirelessly from anywhere in your home with the included Pico remote. It works through walls and has a 10-year battery life. Upgrade your existing lights to smart lighting with a single dimmer switch. Save money and maintain your preferred bulb styles. Manage your lights from anywhere using the Lutron app. Enjoy advanced features like scenes, scheduling, and geo-fencing. This dimmer switch offers advanced functionality with a sleek, modern design. Easily turn lights on and off, and adjust brightness with dedicated buttons. Experience super-fast, ultra-reliable smart lighting that works without Wi-Fi. It won't slow down your other internet devices. What we like. If you're looking to integrate your lighting with a wide range of smart home ecosystems, this is your go-to. Its reliable connection, even without Wi-Fi, ensures your lights are always responsive. Plus, the no neutral wire requirement makes installation a breeze in older homes. What people say. It was very easy to install, even for the three-way switch. The included plate covers hide the screw holes, giving it a more modern and clean look. It even comes with a remote. With the app you have complete control of every switch individually, thanks to the tiny hub that ties them all together using its own wireless network. The hub plugs into your wireless router so you can control your switches from anywhere over the internet. Lutron Caseta system is the best system because of its versatility and integration with Alexa, Google, Apple, etc. No neutral wire required, bigger benefit than most consider. Lutron switches integrate seamlessly with Alexa and it's really easy to set up. Number 4. LEGO Icons Haunted House 10273. Step into the chilling world of Manor von Baron, a detailed collector's piece designed for adult LEGO fans. This is a dark and spooky haunted horror house, ready to be explored. Discover a freefall ride, haunted doors, and a cursed painting filled with artifacts collected by the villain, Samuel von Baron. It's packed with intriguing details. With hinged sides, the house opens to reveal creepy decor. Light bricks are included and light up instantly, adding an eerie glow to your creation. Want to control the elevator with an app? Motorize your model by adding specific powered-up components. This allows for interactive play and control. This set includes 3,231 pieces and 10 minifigures, offering hours of relaxation. It's a perfect display model once completed. Looking for a unique gift? This haunted house set is ideal for birthdays or Halloween, especially for those who love ghost hunting and thrill-seeking adventures. This is part of a series of inspiring LEGO building sets for adults. It's designed for fans who appreciate elegant design and creative building. What we like. For the ultimate LEGO enthusiast and fan of all things spooky, this set offers an immersive building experience. The intricate details and the unique free-fall ride mechanism make it a standout display piece. It's perfect for adult fans seeking a challenging and rewarding build, especially around Halloween. What people say. It has a great amount of detail and the elevator is a great touch. When you push the light brick included in the set, you can see a ghost skeleton through the painting. There is a manually openable gate that uses mechanics to crank it open. The elevator feels so smooth. I am just amazed at all the mechanics involved in this set. The most detailed haunted house created by LEGO yet, also is considered a powered model as it has electric parts that come with it. This is a great decorative piece for Halloween, build by yourself or with a loved one, or to collect as it's sure to be a valuable LEGO collector piece in the series. Number 3. Spilay Big Japanese Courtyard DIY Dollhouse Kit. Looking for a unique and thoughtful gift? This miniature house is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's not just a craft, it's a beautiful piece of home decor once completed, offering a sense of accomplishment and lasting value. This 1/24 scale model is built with high-quality, eco-friendly materials like wood, cloth, and paper. You can be assured of a safe and smooth crafting experience with no rough edges, ensuring a premium finish. Unbox a world of creativity. The kit comes complete with all furniture and accessories shown, beautifully packaged in a colorful box. It also includes an English manual and a charming music box to add a romantic touch. This is a hands-on project for ages 14 and up, perfect for anyone who loves arts and crafts. Even beginners can follow the step-by-step English manual to create this surprise house and experience a great sense of fulfillment. We've meticulously checked every kit to ensure all parts are present before shipping. If you encounter any questions during assembly, please reach out, and we'll resolve them promptly. You'll need to provide your own silicone glue and AAA batteries. What we like. If you love detailed miniatures and enjoy a rewarding craft project, this dollhouse kit is for you. The beautiful Japanese courtyard design, complete with LED lights and a music box, creates a charming and romantic atmosphere. It's an ideal gift for friends or loved ones who appreciate handmade decor and a sense of accomplishment. What people say. The intricate features of each room, from the cozy bedroom with its delicate bedspread to the tiny bookshelf filled with miniature books, made the process feel incredibly rewarding. The small accessories like the bathtub with its realistic texture and the tiny kitchen details added a charming sense of realism. The functioning lights gave the dollhouse a warm and inviting atmosphere. Installing these lights was a fun yet precise task that truly brought the model to life. The overall aesthetic of the dollhouse, with its pastel tones and modern design, was a joy to work with. The furniture, decor, and even the pink vintage car outside complemented the contemporary look of the house. Number 2. Lifetime 15 by 8 feet dual-entry outdoor storage shed. Introducing our spacious outdoor storage shed, designed with an attractive appearance that resists fading and cracking. Its stain-resistant exterior means it never needs painting, keeping it looking great year after year. Constructed with a dual-wall high-density polyethylene, HDPE, and sturdy steel-reinforced frame, this shed is built for durability. It's designed to withstand the elements and provide reliable storage for your belongings. Featuring 5 heavy-duty steel trusses, the roof is reinforced for exceptional strength. This ensures it can handle the weight of snow and other elements, providing peace of mind. The slip-resistant HDPE floor is engineered to protect against oil, solvents, and stains. Keep your stored items clean and your shed looking pristine with this durable flooring solution. Designed with a steep roof angle, it allows for quick drainage of rain and snow. This weather-resistant feature helps maintain the integrity of the shed and its contents, ensuring longevity. Its UV-protected construction helps prevent fading and cracking, even under prolonged sun exposure. Enjoy a shed that maintains its attractive appearance over time. What we like. For those needing robust and long-lasting outdoor storage, this shed is an excellent choice. Its dual-wall HDPE construction, reinforced with steel, ensures it can withstand harsh weather. The dual-entry design offers convenient access, making it perfect for storing garden tools, equipment, or seasonal items. What people say. The shed brings the backyard to life. All the parts are well labeled. It was like building a life-size erector set. The material is sturdy. It won't rot or rust. Number 1. Renogy 320W N-type solar panels, 2-pack. Introducing the Renogy 320W N-type solar panels. These high-performance panels offer superior efficiency and reliability for your energy needs. Experience more power with these panels, delivering over 600 watts combined. They generate clean electricity daily, protecting your battery and ensuring consistent performance. Constructed with advanced materials and multi-layered lamination, they are protected against physical damage and corrosion. Their IP68 rating ensures durability in any condition. Featuring 18 busbars and up to 25% cell efficiency, these panels minimize hot spots and offer excellent temperature tolerance for extended lifespan and great performance. Designed for easy installation on RVs, rooftops, cabins, and yachts, they come with pre-drilled holes and are compatible with various mounting systems. Take advantage of federal solar tax credits to reduce the cost of your new solar system. Consult our resources for more details on potential savings. What we like. If you're serious about maximizing your solar energy output, these panels are a top contender. Their cutting-edge N-type technology and high cell efficiency mean more power generation, even in challenging conditions. They are ideal for homeowners looking to invest in an efficient and durable on-grid or off-grid solar setup. What people say. All worked as expected and excellent. The connectors on the back of the panels are easy to work with and seem to be very well made. High-quality solar panels that perform well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.